How to play War Thunder on Oculus Quest 2. For this, first and foremost, open up a preferred browser on your PC. So right here in the search bar, you have to go ahead and search for your Steam account first and foremost. So go ahead and do that. Tap on Steam. So right here, you have to make sure you are logged into your Steam account. Then tap on the Store option. In the search bar, you have to go ahead and search for War Thunder and tap on the version of War Thunder that you want. For an example, I'll be selecting the first one. Now, if you do not have purchased it, go ahead and tap on Add to Cart. Now, as you can see, the game runs in both standard and VR mode, which means that you don't have to do much hassle to connect with your Oculus Quest 2. Now once it is successfully installed, you can just go ahead and launch your game of War Thunder in your Steam. Before that, check your settings of Steam, tap on Applications, and right here, check if you have enabled your Steam VR. If you want to connect any of other VR option, just tap on the drop down icon and connect with your Oculus Quest 2. Once connected, War Thunder will itself ask for some of these options. Just go ahead and tap on Play in VR mode. Once you select it, now just tap on the play bubble at the bottom. And just like that, you'll be able to play your War Thunder on Oculus Quest 2. Isn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.